Alright guys, if you saw from when I was making that 2005 Player Sportsman video, my hand was all red. It's because of the oar for the boat right here. I got this one like sanded down. I don't know, I just went over it quick just because, you know, it's the oar. I'm not going to put too much time into it because, you know, I'm not going to use it. Okay, let's be honest, I'm not going to use it. You know, I might mess around and, like, you know, use it once, but it's just going to be for looks. So I'm not going too hard. Plus, guys, look what it did to my pants already. Like, in my hand, just from touching it. Like, this, honestly, this reminds me of a crayon. That's what this paint is like. I have no idea what it is, but it just reminds me of, like, how crayons are. And I don't know, it's weird. It's not like regular paint. It's like really waxy. It just seems like. So I got this one, you know, ready. And then I'm gonna do this one and then get them all cleaned up and then paint them. So I should hopefully be able to still do that tonight. And then we'll have these. This is like the last piece for the boat that needs to be painted. So I'm gonna get these done and then you guys will see them when that one's ready to go. All right, so I got the oars all painted up in this nice metallic red. Yeah, you guys can kind of see it there. I probably have a better video on my phone, so there's that. And yeah, I'm just gonna touch them up here and add some black to them. As you can see, I already did this one, and I want to put black on this too. And then I still gotta do this one. And I don't know, I just got a lot of things to do right now. But I did get the wood for my transom, and that's right here. Just grab this. And so I traced the old piece that was all rotted out. It was just regular plywood, not meant for water. So it rotted out pretty quick. So it was like paper thin. And I got it all traced out. This is some good marine plywood that I found. And I'm going to get that all cut out. And then I'm going to get it stained and put on. So the one that goes on the inside here, I actually already cut it out, and it's already stained and basically ready to be put on. And this piece, if I can squeeze around there, this piece just came today, so I gotta get it all ready to go and stained so that I can put it on the boat this weekend, and then I can have a transom again, and then I can start working on the seat that's actually down here. I gotta reupholster the cover, and then I want to paint all that so that it looks like new again, and it's gonna look really good. It might not like perfectly fit the boat. The color's probably gonna be different, but I mean it's still gonna look good. So I mean that's what matters. And I gotta put the lug nuts on the trailer. That's what that white box is, or right there. You probably can't see it, but I gotta do that. And then I put my spare tire cover on, and I gotta put my safety chains on, but first I gotta paint them black so that they look like this, and then I'll put them on, and then I can have this thing basically roadworthy. But then I also gotta put the what's it called, like the lifetime lifetime registration sticker. I got to put that back on the trailer, as well as I got the license plate around here somewhere. I think it might still be back here. Did I just scratch it? No, we're good. Yeah, the license plate, I still got to put that on. And then it's pretty much just the wheel bearings left. That's right. I gotta get those ordered like real soon here, because I keep on forgetting about them, and it'd be really nice just to get them done so I don't have to worry about it anymore. But it's a lot of little things left, and I'm hoping that they don't take too long, because I also got some lights that I want to put in here, and I already got a battery for this actually, for the trolling motor, and then that can run my lights too. And let's see, what was the other thing? Oh, I got my badges that I got to put on the wood of the transom. I got to do that. Those are upstairs. And then there was one more thing. I want to paint the trolling motor so that it matches these other two. As you can see, I just want it to look nice and clean, and it won't be that long, just a quick scuff and then paint it, and then just clean it up, freshen it up a bit, and then this motor's still up here. I don't know what the deal is. I'm probably not getting those pistons, I guess. I don't know. So, and an alternative to that, yeah, see, there's my thing for my trailer. Where is that one piston? Guys, I haven't touched this stuff in so long. Like, this motor has nothing in it, because obviously there's the motor, and then the carburetor's somewhere, and all the stuff is still in there. So I would like to get this motor put back together real soon. The one piston, it's probably behind the motor or something. Here, I got the four-wheeler in the way. Yeah. Alright, so this one, guys, the rings are stuck. So it's either I look for another used piston to put in it, or I try and undo these rings here. You can see right there. Those are the lines. Well, that one's the line. That one's not a line. That one's a line, so you can see how tight they are. And I don't know how I'm going to get them off. I might be better off just getting another used piston and throwing that in there. That's probably what I'll do. I mean, I think I could find one for like 20 or 30 bucks. So that's not bad. That little box right there, that's piston rings. And then, hone it, put it back together, and then test it out, and hope that that's all good. And I also got a cover to cover the whole boat for when it's outside, and that'll keep all the dirt out of it so that it stays nice and clean. And yeah, I'm hoping to be able to test it out sooner than later, I'll say. I don't know, I got a lot of stuff to do. I will let you guys know. Well, this will be getting worked on soon. Just waiting for parts for this. They're all ordered and on their way. That'll be next week. And then I got a Honda Accord that I bought because it was broken. I'll go over that in a whole nother video coming up here, but I'll be working on that this weekend is the plan, and getting that all fixed up. So look forward to that. And then I still got to get these plastics wrapped. I mean, I basically just need to find someone that'll help me, because holding that big sheet of vinyl and trying to wrap it, like, I'm gonna, probably start on one edge and use a heat gun and heat it all up and form it and stuff. And I need someone to hold the other end. And I don't know. It's probably gonna be a flop, but I really want to try and see how it goes, because it would be cool to learn so that I could wrap my truck at some point. So we'll just have to see about that. And then for this mess right here, it's the Banshee stuff. I don't know, I haven't heard from the guy in a while now. He took his frame and all the other parts. Obviously the motor's still there and all the other little things, brakes and stuff. But he took all that stuff to go get sandblasted and powder coated, and I don't know, I haven't really heard from him since. So that's a really slow build. But then I got a few trucks that I want to fix up. So there's definitely going to be truck builds. I can guarantee you that, coming up in the future here. I'm hoping not too long, because I really want to get started on that. And then, well, since I'm going over everything, I might as well go over here by the Predator, and the dog's over here too. And so for the Predator, I want to take the plastics all off of it again and repaint them because I don't like the paint that I used. Right away when I had it back together, I spilled a little bit of paint, and I guess it's kind of just chipping off or like coming off of there. You guys can see that. Yep, right there. And then it's kind of getting, I don't doubt it's going to stress crack. I don't know, there's some other areas. Like that fender where the crack goes, that stuff I used didn't hold up at all. And when I had it in the back of my truck when I was going riding, the ramps rubbed it and rubbed the paint right off. Like, I don't know. I just want to freshen it up again. I definitely got to clean it because it's all dirty. I got to put my custom skid plate on it because I never did that. It wouldn't hurt to change the oil, maybe tune it up, and repaint it and then get the graphics kit put on that. As well as I got a graphics kit for the scrambler. And guys, I just want to get all this stuff wrapped up so that I can, you know, just open up the garage. Like, a boat takes up a lot of room. The four-wheelers take up room. So, I don't know. I might start selling stuff here. Just to free up space and, you know, be able to start new projects then with the space and the money and, you know, just move on to bigger and better things. So, you know, back to the boat. It's been fun, and you know, it turned out really good, and I can't wait to see it finished and to ride it. But I feel like it's just, I mean, it's cool. It's a rowboat, but it's just like small. You know, you can only have like 800 pounds. And once I got the battery in there, the gas tank, the motor, the trolling motor, like what, that's plus myself, like that's already at least like half of that. And then you can only have like 2 other people in there. I mean, it's decent, but I don't know. It's cool to see it now compared to when I got it. Definitely, you know, this is what I like to do. But I don't know how long it's going to stick around for, guys. I might look for something else or just, you know, put it into the trucks. But we'll see. So I'll get this cut out, get back to this. So I'll get the transom done and get it tidied up here and try and get it finished next week, I'll say. But there you have it. And until next time, you guys will see a lot of boat stuff.